There's another plane. Double whammy today. That's probably ANZ 175. Giving us a spray. Huh? Not a bad one either. Oh, he's going across the roof. Let me pull back. Step back. Oh, see, spraying's back on. School holidays are over. Everyone's back at work. And this is what you get. Yep. Spray day. There's his line. Another decent one. So it's contrail day. Well, you know what I mean. There we go. It doesn't even look like vapor. It's wrong, you know. Looks like it's got colours in it. Yes, thanks a lot, guys. Flew us for the weekend. Oh, well. There we go. I told you the other day in that other video. Spraying's back on. Well, need any more proof? If you do, you're a nut job. It's on. It's back. And we just gotta wear it. Still spraying as it goes. It's gone over the house line, so. That's another big thick contrail today. And a pretty warm Melbourne day. Although not as warm as the other day. So, you know, put 2 and 2 together. It adds up to contrail. Oh, chemtrail, I mean. Bad me. Check it out. Oh, there's a shadow coming off the trail. Look at that. Right there. A shadow coming off there. That's really weird, isn't it? Sun must be right in the right spot. There we go, spooky skies today. And there's that contrail, chemtrail. Not breaking up, not going away. And leaving a nice shadow. Yeah, Freaky Friday. Good one.